Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, this is what I created. I know I said I was only gonna do one colorful look a month, but the thing is I know February I didn't do one, so I'm kind of making up for it for you guys. So this is what I came up with. Before we get into the tutorial, just don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm sorry if this eye is watery, but there's something in my eye that just popped in right now, but I have to continue filming. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys want to see how I create this look, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's start. So first you guys can see I have my base and my brows are done. I'm just gonna put some tape on the edge because you guys know I love that look. And so the first palette we're gonna use my Fire palette by NYX. I'm gonna choose that orangey color in the corner and I'm gonna take my big blending brush. So what you want to do is put it in a crease. Of course, we're gonna work on a crease first. So you really want to blend your crease with that color. You can pack it on a little bit more on the outer corner if you want, but put it all the way into the inner corner also. So go all the way through the eye and just make sure everything is well blended. So of course you want to do the same thing to the other eye. So just blend. You want both eyes to be similar. Of course you can't make it like exactly the same, so just try to make sure it's similar. So next I'm taking a smaller blending brush and I'm taking that like pink Fire palette shadow to put in the outer corner on top of the shadow we just used. So I'm really gonna pack it on onto the outer corner with that small blending brush. Really pack it on. Make sure you pack it on really well before we start blending, and you want to swipe it all the way across your eye into the inner corner, just like I'm doing right now. And also make sure it's well blended. You can always go back to your bigger blending brush and just make sure all the edges are blended with the shadows we put before. So you want to do the same thing to the other eye again. So just make sure pack it on, and after worry about blending it. And like I said, you can always go back and forth between your smaller blending brush and the bigger one, and just take your time. So to cut the crease, I'm using my Better Skin Concealer by Maybelline. I'm using a flat shadow brush. So I'm just going to cut the crease the same way I cut my crease before. So I'm just going to cut it exactly where my eye folds. I'm not going to go higher or lower. Just this is the better look for me, so that's why I'm cutting it there. Just make sure the concealer is really well packed on so that the next shadow we're going to put looks really true to color. You can always go with a smaller like liner brush after if you want to be more precise on your cutting when you're cutting your crease. I find this helps for me because it really makes like a nice edge where exactly you're gonna cut the crease. So next I'm taking my eyeshadow brush, a small one. I'm taking the color Glistening from my Soft Glam palette. So I'm just gonna pack it on wherever we cut the crease. The color is really intense, so you don't really need to pack it on. It's really true to color. Just put it on and you're good. At first I didn't really like the gold with the pink, so I go back with my rose pink color with the same shadow brush. It's fine. I'm just putting it on top of Glistening, so it made like a champagne pink kind of color, and I liked it better because I found it was less of a big contrast and it all blended better together. So just make sure you put it everywhere you cut the crease. And then after, I'm taking my blending brush. You can always go back into the that pink shadow and just blend the outer corner between the pink and the gold pink shadow. So after, I'm taking a pencil brush and I'm going into the color Tempera but from the Soft Glam palette, and this is the color I'm using in my inner corner, just to brighten up the look a little bit. And then I'm using my Kat Von D liner. I'm doing a really
thin line again, a thin cat eye. It's really to your preference. If you want a big one, just do a big one, but me, I always do a thin one because that's what I'm comfortable with, and also that's how I like it. So that's what I'm doing right now. And now it's time to take off the tape and see what she did. So after that, I'm taking an angle brush and I'm going to dip back into that pink color in the Fire palette. So I'm going to work under the lower lash line. I'm going to the outer 2/3 of my eye with this shadow. And then the inner 1/3, I'm using that orangey color, and you just want to blend the two together so it's not too harsh. And if you want it to help even more, you can go back and take your smaller blending brush and just blend everything together. And then I go back with my tempera shadow for the inner corner again. For mascara, I'm using my Telescopic mascara by L'Oreal. I'm just gonna put a little bit because you guys know I always use false lashes, and I'm gonna use my number 11 by Kiss. You guys will see in a second. So you want to put mascara on your top and lower lash. And these are the lashes.
So that's it, you guys. This is what I did to create this look. This is the colorful makeup look that I created for you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, because honestly, getting to colors, it's like, I don't know, for me it's so different, but at least like I kind of see what I'm capable of, and yeah, so I'm happy about that. So I hope you guys like it, because I really love it. Before I say goodbye, just don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And all of my social media are down below if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, or whatever you guys like. It's all down below in the description box. And also, I just want to say thank you to everybody who's been liking and commenting on my videos. I really do appreciate it. And everybody who's been subscribing also, I really do appreciate it. Thank you. And yeah, I'll just see you next time, guys. Bye.